Time for another quick guide. This time we'll show you how to install the Instagram app on an Android phone. So as always, make sure you're connected to the internet or you have data available. So as usual, first things first, go ahead and open up the Play Store app. At the bottom, click on search, and in the search bar at the top, click in there, then type in your keyboard Instagram. And then in the Instagram information, click on it, then press the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your phone with a progress bar, and then once it's downloaded, it'll start installing. Once the app's downloaded and ready to go, you can either click the blue open button or you can come out of the Play Store, scroll through your apps, and then there you'll find the Instagram app icon. Simply click on that and that's good to go.